even after so much success building such a big company, right? What drives you today? And we were speaking about this off camera also, right? Ki sometimes people get comfortable, they lose their drive, right? What is driving you today?
See, I will tell you, stay away from consumption. Okay. एक तो ना ही सिर्फ वो आपकी बिजनेस के लिए अच्छा है, आप वापस पैसा इन्वेस्ट करते हो. Stoicism is basically also consuming moderately. Why do you need 500 pairs of jeans? Or why haven't you thrown 15 साल पुरानी jeans? What will you do of it? Or that 50 apps डाल रखी हैं आपने, क्यों डाली हुई हैं? So I would say that what drives me is, at the basis of my drive is, I stay away from consumption. Not that I am a rishi muni or a monk, no. But ठीक है यार, इतना ही ठीक है. I am maybe a mediocrely dressed person in my office. Other people, youngsters, old people, experienced, they are much better dressed than me. What drives me is how much of mental growth I can achieve during the work and by cultivating a hobby which can be self-fulfilling.
So talking about consumption, you said consumption is distraction.
Yes.
Right? As your business has grown, आपने अपने आप को भी कंफर्टेबल किया होगा कहीं ना कहीं.
जरूर.
थोड़ा सा आपने अपने लाइफस्टाइल को इम्प्रूव किया होगा.
जरूर.
राइट. तो वहाँ पे क्या पर्सपेक्टिव था? वाज इट लाइक यार बहुत सोच के करो ताकि ये मेरे को इतना कंफर्टेबल ना कर दे कि मैं निकल ही ना पाऊँ कंफर्ट से, या क्या वो पर्सपेक्टिव था?
देखो मैं आपको बताता हूँ, जैसे वेकेशन लिया आपने, ठीक है, वेकेशन अच्छी ले ली आपने, बढ़िया ले ली, सब कुछ कर लिया, 5 दिन 10 दिन 15 दिन 17 दिन, ठीक है, बट देन you come back to your lifestyle of stoicism.
Okay.
You know? So you compartmentalize it. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको हर हफ्ते बाहर जाना ही जाना है, या आपने बाहर का खाना खाना ही खाना है. मैं बहुत सिंपल सी बात कर रहा हूँ. या ये प्लेजर लेना ही लेना है, या ये ड्रिंक पीनी है. नहीं, नो. There is a small space for that. And you know, हर आदमी को दिल में पता होता है कि वो स्पेस कितना है.
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो यू आर सेइंग कि अपनी डेली लाइफ में कंजम्पशन को, लग्जरी इन्फ्लेशन को, लाइफस्टाइल इन्फ्लेशन को बहुत कम रखो, बहुत ही सिंपल वे में लाइफ लीड करो टू प्रोटेक्ट योर ड्राइव, एंड थोड़े टाइम जब आप इस रूटीन से ब्रेक लेते हो देन गो ऑल आउट एंड एंजॉय.
आई वोंट से ऑल आउट, आई वुड से एंजॉय अच्छे से. अब देखो ऑल आउट तो
कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं है,
एंड आई वुड ऑल आउट को मैं थोड़ा सा इररिस्पॉन्सिबल मानता हूँ. व्हाई ऑल आउट? मतलब क्या कर लोगे यार, सोना थोड़ा ना खा लो.
सही बात.
मतलब यू कैन, यू नो, यू हैव टू ईट सो दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो, यू हैव टू ईट tonight so that you can still enjoy tomorrow's breakfast.
Correct, yeah.
पागल थोड़ा ना हो जाना. So have a good whatever you can afford. Set up a budget कि ठीक है, it could be a big budget. 10 दिन 15 दिन, एक नहीं 2 वेकेशन ले लो, छोटी वेकेशन ले लो, बट आपकी जो वेकेशंस हैं या आपका जो डाउन टाइम है ना, वो कंपार्टमेंटलाइज्ड है. You should do party, you should do this, but life should not be driven by those parties. Life should be driven by what impact you're making on your life in terms of your customers, how much transformation and growth you are able to do. Intellectual stimulation आपको कितनी मिल रही है, क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी stimulation दुनिया में intellectual stimulation है.
So is this a conscious thought or decision that you have made to not overconsume, to not
Absolutely.
to not sort of inflate your lifestyle? मतलब अगर वो affordability option भी होता है तो you say कि नहीं यार ये नहीं करना है.
I would say that it comes very naturally. You know, because luxury is a luxury. Okay. If luxury becomes an everyday affair, it becomes a necessity. Right? So if you hold luxury by its definition, it's luxury. Luxury is compartmentalized. दूर होती है. Luxury is not every day. You know, every day you cannot be having butter chicken or bukhara or whatever.
Yeah.
You'll go mad. So luxury is placed few and far between. I mean, it should come naturally to everyone.
And you're saying that's part one of protecting your drive.
Yes, part one of protecting your drive, so that you are not just getting into that spiral of overconsumption
and distraction.
Yes, and the second is what I told you about that jeans wala ki story. There is actually magic happening when you're sitting in your work, इतनी सारी opportunities आ रही होती हैं.
नहीं, we were also talking about कि if you pick up a hobby, तो वो हॉबी आपको अपने एक्चुअल काम में ज्यादा ड्राइव करेगी. What
That was the
that?
third thing.
हाँ.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि आप बिजनेस में जब बैठे हो तो अवेयर बिजनेसमैन बैठे हो, जब कमिटेड बैठे हो.
हाँ.
एंड थर्ड, व्हाट यू डू ऑफ बिजनेस के बाहर क्या करते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम आई स्पीक एंड आई एम डेवलपिंग अ कंटेंट फॉर बिजनेस बुद्धा, which is basically while you to live your life with awareness, to reflect before you act. Now I'm developing these 6 mindset tools. Okay, entrepreneur can just in various situations of life can pick up a tool, apply it, और वो unlock करेगा opportunity और legacy.
ठीक है.
Now that itself is a huge hobby. The moment that hobby you start doing justice to that hobby and it starts transforming you, it is a game changer.
But how does that transform into driving you at work?
That's what I'm telling you, that you're the same person. How you do one thing is you do everything. Suppose you become an aware person. Suppose you become a stoic person. Suppose you look at things closely to see clearly. Suppose you're always overwhelmed and stretched. You draw a boundary and then you have abundance of time. That is all a hobby. That you're making these tools. But then in your business, in your legacy, at your work, around your team, and once your team starts seeing you, कि ये नहीं आदमी बदल गया है, ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, ये लैंग्वेज अच्छी बोलता है, ये कर्टसी से बात करता है, ये अपनी स्पीकिंग अच्छी करता है, he speaks well, your team also starts imbibing you and the culture changes. So your hobby transforms you to transform your team, to transform the culture. And I believe in a company, in business, the drive is that if you can become a company with a better culture.
That is what drives me.
That is what drives me.